Think you're just average? Think again. You might be a hidden genius. You love asking questions? Geniuses are curious by nature. You're a problem solver. No puzzle is too tough for you. You have a great sense of humor. It's not just for laughs, it's a sign of quick thinking. You enjoy alone time. It means your brain is always buzzing with ideas. You notice patterns everywhere. From nature to numbers, nothing escapes your keen eye. You're empathetic. Understanding emotions requires serious brain power. You've got a wild imagination. Daydreaming? More like brain training. You remember random facts. That's your impressive memory at work. You love learning new things. From languages to instruments, you're always up for a challenge. You're a night owl. Many geniuses burn the midnight oil, and finally, you're passionate. When you love something, you dive in deep. So, how many signs did you check off? You might be a secret genius after all.